Hello everyone, welcome back into Wednesday night weather. Mike Schultz with you once again, and we were looking at for some snow shower activity today, but everything that front just could not make it past the Alaska range, so we had ourselves another beautiful day, lots of sunshine. We're looking at a little better chance of some snow shower activity tomorrow. I'll tell you why in just a little bit, but as far as what we're going to be talking about tonight, it's going to be a little warmer tonight because the clouds are moving in with that next possibility of some snow shower activity. Also, we're still looking for the snow showers tomorrow to develop. And the good news is warmer temperatures expected for the weekend. How warm? We'll tell you about that in just a little bit. As far as the air quality, guess what? It's not too bad today. We're looking at just a stage 2 air quality alert for the folks in North Pole, but Fairbanks is just about 0 today, so pretty good. On the satellite and radar, you can again see that frontal boundary moving slowly to the northwest. There's the boundary that we thought was going to get here, but it just kind of fizzled out. Just lost a lot of its identity, so we didn't get any snow shower activity. More precipitation across southeastern sections of Alaska. On the big picture, here's what it looks like. As you can see, once again, we're looking at cloudy skies at Ketchikan, Juneau, some shower activity. Also showers around the Anchorage Bowl and showers at Kodiak, with temperatures the warmest around the Ketchikan area at 48 degrees and Kodiak at 37. Cold Bay also cloudy skies in 38. And up and down the west coast, temperatures in the teens, 16 and 18 degrees at Bethel and Nome. Another cold day in Barrow, 10 degrees below. Not quite as bad as it was yesterday in Fort Yukon, 8 degrees below 0 there. On the satellite and radar, again, high pressure really dominating the western half of the country, starting to break down a little bit, allowing some of this moisture to come in and bring some showers to the farthest northern sections around the Seattle area. Otherwise, skies are clear over the central portion of the country. But then again, more snow shower activity scattered across the eastern half of the country. Nothing really heavy, though. It's kind of lost a lot of its power, so that's good news for those folks there. Now, the overall picture is calling for lake effect snows to kick in pretty good, blowing and drifting, substantial snowfall, travel delays, and whiteouts right along the Great Lakes there, because the winds are coming right across from Canada in across the Great Lakes, helping to develop those lake effect snows. In contrast, it's warm out to the west. In fact, record-challenging warmth for many areas of Southern California into Nevada and also Arizona. Okay, time for our kids' weather. And tonight we have interesting weather from a young man who has a weather question from Weller Elementary School.
Hi, my name is Jacob, and I'm in Mr. Kraska's 5th grade class. And here's my weather question for the weatherman. What is the difference between cyclones and hurricanes? Is there a difference?
Actually, hurricanes, typhoons, and cyclones are all the same, just by different names because of the area they're located, although sometimes those cyclones and typhoons in the Pacific can get even stronger than the Atlantic hurricanes, but for the most part, they're all the same. Good question. Again, thanks to Mount McKinley Bank for sponsoring our kids' weather. And tomorrow night, we're going to be hearing from the teacher with a really interesting question about some strong winds. All right, here's your forecast for the northern sections for Alaska for tomorrow. Flurries, fog and blowing snow for Barrow, but mostly clear skies for Nome, and just some flurries expected in the Fort Yukon area. Here in the interior, we'll be looking at mostly cloudy skies for Fairbanks and Healy. Maybe some afternoon snow showers around the Delta Junction, spreading up to the Fairbanks area. Over southeast Alaska, again, rain is in the forecast, but rain should be diminishing in Juneau, but continuing across the Ketchikan area with 50 degrees for the high reading tomorrow. Over the southwest part of the state, looks like chance of rain for Cold Bay, with rain expected at Kodiak, but mostly sunny skies in Bethel. And over the south central regions, if you're heading down to the Anchorage Bowl, mostly cloudy skies for Anchorage, mixed rain and snow for Valdez, and also at Homer. And as far as what's going on in our temperatures today, well, here you go. Today's high was 12 degrees. The low last night, 17 below. The record high, 44 in 2004, down to 52 below in 1932. Now, we gained another 7 minutes, which works out to about 7 hours and 56 minutes of daylight. Tomorrow, we'll go over that 8-hour barrier. And our forecast for the remainder of the night, not as cold as last night. Skies will be mostly clear, then becoming mostly cloudy by after midnight time frame, 5 degrees below 0. And tomorrow's forecast looking at a lot better warming for 17 degrees for the high, with maybe some isolated snow showers in the forecast. In the extended forecast, there are temperatures once again way above normal for this time of year, 22, 23, pretty good consistency right there. No precipitation in the forecast. Overnight lows will also once again be right around in the single digits above, even warmer on Friday night. Now, for tonight's photograph, this is a magnificent photograph sent in by Tom Schneider. He's on the Yukon Quest Trail, and he took this between Central and Circle. And man, what the colors are on that are just incredible. Again, if you have a photograph to share, photos at ktbf11.com. That's where you need to send it. Isn't that gorgeous? That is just beautiful.